Hey, you guys, listen, it kind of sounds like a chainsaw. Watch when I hit this with the power washer. Isn't that amazing? Oh, what? Nothing. It does sound like a chainsaw because I was using a power washer to hit this thing that spins. I don't know if it was the tires or rear ends, but it just made it sound like that. It sounds like I'm revving up a real chainsaw, doesn't it? Yeah, it sure does. Well, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on comments and notifications so you want to miss out on my latest video. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.